So here's the Philips amp and the military cabinet in which it was holding. As you can see, it's quite worn out for the painting, but the general structure is perfect, it's working fine. There's a French inscription here saying it's a sound device, okay. The Philips amp is here. It's standing on rubber feet, which hold it firmly and avoid it to move and to be dampened. Here's the control panel for input, output impedance, main voltage, and choosing the mains transformer setup. Here's the plug to plug in the current directly. I'll supply a plug which will go to the mains, and this is the switch which will light on the current up to the amplifier. To set up the amplifier, you start by warming up the rectifier tubes, which are mercury rectifier tubes EL6420. They are in perfect state, they work. And after 5 minutes, at least 5 minutes, the shade inside the mist inside must have been gone. You move to speaker position, which is here. Okay. Now I turned it off, but it's not plugged in. When you open this cabinet, you see lots of funny things. First of all, a turntable with a sealed envelope for a tone arm cartridge, EG3016LF, normal und Langjahrspielplatten. Maybe it's written, okay, it's for standard discs and micro grooves. Okay, so 78 and 33 RPM. It's a Philips cartridge, of course. I guess so. It should be. Yes, it's a Philips. As it's written on the top of it, Philips. And you've got 2 needles, a green one for the 78, and of course, a green one, yes, for the 78, and a red one for micro grooves. It goes here, of course, and it will fit. I've not tested it. But I guess it's certainly working. You also have some sort of manual in French about this turntable, which is not in good shape and which will need restoring. It's a belt turntable. I've not tried to change anything. The amp is working, of course. When you move to the cupboard, which is just below, you find something which is quite funny, as you guess. 2 different types of microphones. So a type like this, which is an 9564010C of 25,000 ohms. I have not tested it. It looks nice. It's heavy and hefty. With a second one here, which is something else. I don't know what it is. It's still a Philips one, with the foot which is here. Okay, so another microphone. All the cables are here and here. And in here, which I find quite interesting and well thought. Come on, I need to. Okay, it's gonna be here. You've got a trap to put things. That's where all the replacement tubes were. And there's some foot for the microphone, of course. I got even a manual for a little label for the foot. You'll find it here. And here's a support for a microphone for the round one. So that's what you get with it. It will be, either I can send it to you with only the control panel, or I can send it to you with the full setup, which gives it an historical interest. So I make a little turnaround just to show you. And the weight is going to be calculated very soon. Here you are. That's it. I hope you'll enjoy this little video showing you the Philips amp and its military cabinet. As I told you, I can send only the Philips cabinet and the control panel, or everything, as you wish. Happy bead!